happening, people? Welcome to another video with Allsortz. Now check this out. This is the HMD Barça Fusion. Now you're probably thinking I've already unboxed and reviewed a HMD Fusion. Well, this is the Barça version, and this has players' names signed on the back of this phone. It's a, I would say, a limited edition Barcelona version, and you can actually see the signatures via a UV light as well, but I'll make a short video on that. I've also done the HMD Barca 3210, so if you haven't seen that, make sure you check out the video. I will leave the link in the description box below. But which one do you like, the HMD Barca 3210 or this HMD Barca Fusion? Let me know in the comments. So in this video today, we'll take a look at the packaging, take a look at what we're getting inside of the box, then we'll take a look at some of the features of this HMD Fusion, and then we'll take a look at the phone itself and the operating system to see what's changed with this HMD Barca Fusion. So let's get started. Look at that. Which one is your favorite signature? Let me know in the comment section below. If you don't know what the names are, check the side by side on the box. It actually tells you the name of the players. I'm pretty sure they're players, I'm not too sure. But yeah, overall you can actually take this back cover off, but what's stopping you from putting this back cover on a normal Fusion and paying £100 less? Because this phone costs £299 with all of these signatures on, and the UI is a little bit different, but you're going to check that in the video. But like you saw earlier, I can actually take this back cover off, but there's nothing stopping you putting it on a normal Fusion and you've got a £300 looking phone, except the UI, unless you can actually get that. So let's switch this on and let's see what differences we get. So HMD powered by Android. You've not got a Barca tone up as you would do in the HMD Barca 3210. If you didn't see that, make sure you check it out. We have got a different kind of startup with the Barca layout. So as you can see here, but just before I tell you, you've got a headphone jack with this, a USB Type-C and a speaker grill at the bottom, volume rockers on the side, HMD printed on the case as well, and at the top is probably a mic. So let's start it up, let's go. And connect it to a mobile. No, we'll take that off, we'll skip that. Set up offline, continue. You will just click any. Unlock with fingerprint, so it has got a fingerprint sensor. Do face unlock, so it has got a face unlock as well. It's got a passcode. Skip anyway. and it's got all of these features which you can actually use. Now this is a good feature I like. You can actually choose where you want the gesture version or the 3-button version. The 3-button version are the 3 buttons at the bottom, but I actually like the gesture version where you can have a bar at the bottom and you can swipe up and use the navigation that way. Continue setup. Let's continue setup, getting your phone ready. HMD services, accepted, selected. My device app, we'll skip that. We've got a tone right there, and there we go, straight into the phone itself. Now as you can see with the wallpaper, you've got a Barcelona football club in 2 different colors as well. So you got the reddish color and the bluish color. I'm going to call it that. It's like a purplish red anyway. But yeah, swiping it up, you've got a few Barcelona apps as well. I'm pretty sure you need to connect these to your Wi-Fi or your internet to use. But look at that. Is there any volume? Nope. Hey Cooler, you are our next signing. Okay, mate. So obviously you need internet for that. And you've got your members. But pretty sure you need internet for that as well, which will connect, or you need a member key and a personal code. Enter your membership code. I don't think I've got a membership code on for Barcelona. You've got your e-tickets as well. So if you're ever going to watch Barcelona, you can put your e-tickets on here. You've got 3 Barcelona apps at the top as well. Barcelona games. So if you want to see when the next Barcelona game is, you just check it out on this app here, but of course you need to be connected to the internet. Yeah, looking at the phone itself, pretty basic Android operating system. You've got a few Barcelona apps on here, so if you're a Barcelona fan, you can get e-tickets from here, see when the next game's here, have your own account as well. So it's pretty decent. You've got your preloaded apps there on Google as well, YouTube, Play Store. But yeah, only thing is a few differences from the layout with the wallpaper. So let's go into settings and let's see what's changed. So nothing changed in the settings. I'm pretty sure you can actually change the wallpaper and the photos. So let's go into photos and we'll take that off. Is there any preloaded photos on here? No, there's not. What about videos? Nope. So let's go into settings and go into display and wallpaper icon. So you have got wallpaper and style. It has got more preloaded on-device wallpapers. So you can choose from this one right here when it loads. Or home screen. So you can choose that one. This one right here. They are taking the time to load up though, so you have got to be patient. There we go. So it just shows you it's got 7 on-device wallpapers, and you can choose your own customized wallpaper if you like as well. More lock screen options. Double tap to check phone, lift to check phone. So you've got them features there. Swipe back does work. Let's go into sounds and vibration and see what kind of ringtones we've got. So you have got them ringtones that you can actually choose if you're ever going to choose them, if you ever get the phone. But yeah, overall it's pretty same as the other HMD Fusion, except for the wallpapers and ringtones, and also the preloaded Barca apps, as you can see in the menu settings. But overall everything is exactly the same from the camera and the features as well. The only thing different on the exterior is the back cover, which you've got a embedded FCB logo, Barcelona logo, and Also, you've got the signatures, which you can actually look at them through a UV light. So I will be getting that and doing that on shorts. So if you haven't seen the shorts videos of these phones, then make sure you check it out. But overall, what do you think? Would you pay £299 for this phone? Let me know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Make sure you check out my HMD playlist and also my other videos on my Allsortz channel. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again for another video.